If you need to reset your Gmail password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest and safest way to recover your account and create a new password, step by step. This is a really useful process if you've forgotten your current password, lost access to your inbox, or just want to regain control of your Gmail account quickly. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's start. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the correct place to begin the password reset process. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the sign in field, then click Next. Now Google will try to verify that it's really you. If you do remember your current password, you can enter it here. But if you do not remember it, simply click Try Another Way. This is where Google will show you other recovery options tied to your account. Depending on what recovery details you have set up, Google may offer a verification code sent to your phone, a code sent to your recovery email, or a Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions on the screen. If you receive a verification code, check your phone, email, or device carefully and enter the code exactly as shown. Make sure you type it correctly because even one wrong number can stop the recovery process. After entering the code, Google will move you to the password reset screen. Now it's time to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before. For better security, use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to make it something memorable for you, but difficult for anyone else to guess. Enter your new password in the first field, then confirm the same password in the second field. Double check both entries to make sure they match exactly. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your Gmail password has now been reset. You should be able to sign back into your account with the new password right away. If you're using Gmail on other devices, you may need to sign in again there as well. For best results, take a moment after resetting your password to review your recovery phone number and recovery email in your Google account settings. That way, if you ever forget your password again, account recovery will be much easier. Also, if you think someone else may have had access to your account, it's a good idea to check your security activity and change any other important passwords tied to your email. I hope this tutorial made the Gmail password reset process simple and clear. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.